Okay, we're gonna do random Munich. Got this random building, and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna come around the side of it in the shade here. We're gonna walk down this street called Sendlinger, and we'll see what it looks like. And our street name, we'll give this one a street. So Sendlinger Street. So we're just gonna go all the way down that one. So this is kind of the base of Sendlinger Street. So we're gonna walk down it. We'll try to stay in the shade a little bit and kind of take in part of Munich, see what a random city street looks like. This is not too far from the old town. I think it might even be still considered part of the old town as well. And I think it's all called, well, let's see, we got Sendlinger Street coming up as a street sign, but I'm gonna keep going straight and let's see whatever street that's called. In Macau, sometimes they change the names of the streets as well, so you don't really know. There it is right there. Sendlinger Street. So let's just kind of take a look here. Yeah, same street. So it's called Sendlinger. I can see a street sign over there. So we're gonna walk straight down Sendlinger Street, see what it looks like. Got a nice pedestrian walk in the middle here. Sendlinger Street, they'll continue. Got some construction on that side. I'm gonna try to stay in the shade. They do have all these places to sit outside, which is great. Nice pedestrian street. We'll try to highlight and see what's around here as well. Looks like they got a film festival sign down that way. We'll examine that. Inger Block. So yeah, actually, I'll just kind of let you kind of see. So inside, they always have these little plazas that go all the way inside as well. So like almost all the buildings have something like that. So you might see the building looks a certain way, but then there's actually a giant square that's kind of between the buildings or within the buildings. Let's see what this is. Never stop exploring. So this one says Munich Film Festival, which is June 23rd, July. That's now. Today's date is June 27, 2023. Okay. Some of these side streets. Okay. Right. Kind of quiet. Big wide streets, great for walking. Yeah, so actually let me see. So if you go inside, you can look and see there's like there's also, you can go all the way through the building as well. I don't know if that's always the case, it depends building by building basis, but this one you could go through it. Okay. So random Munich. We're gonna slowly walk towards English Garden, which has a lot of activities, as you'll see. I'll try to film some of that. They got a lot of people filming this particular spot right here. It's kind of a cool spot. That's kind of interesting. Actually, I'm just gonna go in here real quick. Yeah, I live in Asia, right? So usually the cameras are like. I just want to take a look. It looks really inviting. Cool. Huh. Didn't expect that. Very cool. Okay. Getting shade here. I think I'm gonna go down to the end of the street. Okay, there's more of those. So you can actually go through more of these spaces. Okay. Kind of random Munich. Pretty cool city. Okay. So we're gonna come up to the end and we'll just see what's at the end of our street. A little bit of Munich. Another one of these little entry points. Okay. A lot of construction happening this summer. So I just want to come up to this free Assange. At least they have construction everywhere. So that's our target street. And we're going to keep on going all the way up. Pretty cool. And I think we're going to come up to the base of English Garden, I think. We'll find out in a moment. Okay. Looks like we got a train line anyways. Get across here. Kennedy's. Okay. So that was our Target Street right there. I guess we got a little bit more. All these places to eat right here as well. And I think we're gonna come out to the English Gardens Film Theater. Okay, Brick House. So I think we're still on Sendlinger Street. Come out to the end. Okay. So that was our Target Street right there. Just walk down a little bit further. There it is.
Toma cuidado la